Started with 5-10 pounds with any movements, just because starting out, and I found a corner in the gym because I didn't know. I tried focusing on my form, figuring things out all by myself. So pretty much it was like a lot of trial and error, and then I'd try and watch myself, and then I'd also like spend time on the internet, like watching videos of how I need to be doing these things. Yeah, I mean, I started very small, and then once after the first month of January, February, I'm like, okay, I'm dropping the cardio. I can't, because I was running 3 or 4 miles a day. So I'm like, okay, I'm not doing that. And now I've turned it around to where, started building that muscle, the dedication, and I'm going 6 days a week now. And a huge thing too is like switching things up, switching your programs up, doing different things, because you're gonna build that muscle memory, and then you're gonna hit a wall and you're gonna feel stuck.